In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best camping stoves available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the camping stoves list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the camping stoves mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. MOUNTAINHIKER Portable Mini Sun Stove. The MOUNTAINHIKER Portable Mini Sun Gas Stove is designed for outdoor campers who need compact heating and cooking. Made from stainless steel, it runs on butane fuel and features a built-in ignition system for quick startup. Lightweight and durable, this one-piece stove doubles as a mini heater, providing warmth on chilly nights while cooking small meals. Perfect for solo or small group camping, it's easy to carry and efficient, making it a smart choice for backpackers and outdoor adventurers. Number 4. Fire Maple X2 Camping Gas Stove. The Fire Maple X2 Outdoor Gas Stove is a high-performance portable cooking system perfect for camping and hiking. Its integrated heat exchanger pot ensures maximum fuel efficiency, while the foldable heat-proof handle adds durability and safety. Made from aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet tough enough for high-altitude use. The nested design saves space in your backpack, and it comes with a built-in ignition system for easy start. This reliable stove is ideal for fast boiling and cooking meals outdoors. Number 3. 2670W Portable Folding Gas Stove. This 2670W camping gas stove is a compact and foldable outdoor cooking solution. Built with stainless steel for durability, it's powered by butane and comes with an ignition device for hassle-free use. The split-type design ensures better stability while cooking, making it suitable for picnics, hiking, and travel. With a lightweight structure and efficient flame output, this stove is perfect for quick meals, boiling water, or grilling on the go. Designed for 1 to 3 users, it's an essential camping accessory. Number 2. BRS-69 High Power Camping Stove. The BRS-69 High Power 4360W camping stove is engineered for serious outdoor cooking. Featuring adjustable height and a foldable design, it adapts easily to different cookware sizes and conditions. Its strong windproof construction ensures stable flames even in harsh environments, while the butane gas fuel system offers reliable heating. Lightweight yet powerful, this stove is great for campers and hikers who need high efficiency without sacrificing portability. Perfect for outdoor picnics, backpacking, and survival trips. Number 1. 19800W 7-Core High Power Camping Stove. The 19800W 7-Core Camping Stove is a powerhouse designed for groups and heavy-duty outdoor cooking. With an impressive 7-core burner system, it delivers high-power flames for fast cooking and boiling. Built from durable stainless steel, it features windproof construction and electronic ignition for effortless startup. Supporting more than 5 users, this stove is ideal for family camping, group adventures, and outdoor expeditions. Its strong firepower and large capacity make it a must-have for serious campers.